a fresh lobster from the local fish market. Choose lobsters that look lively. If they are not moving, they are not lively. Prepare a pair of scissors, a knife, a cutting board, and a bowl of water with ice cubes. Start by rinsing the lobster. It is essential that you cover the live lobster with ice for at least 20 minutes before you cut it open. The ice will stun the lobster so that it is easier to manage. First, insert your knife inside the head of the lobster. Then slice around the base of the head. Next, turn the lobster on its back and insert the knife at the base of the head. Now slice around the base of the head. Now, you should be able to easily pull out the lobster tail, separating it from its head. Next, use a pair of scissors to cut along the edge of the abdomen shell until it can be stripped off. If the abdomen shell is difficult to strip off, insert the knife underneath the abdomen shell, and slice apart the lobster meat from the abdomen shell. Then strip it off. Now, remove the lobster meat from the lobster tail. Use the knife to separate the meat from the lobster tail. Pull out the intestines and rinse the lobster meat. Slice the lobster meat into bite-sized pieces. and put them into the bowl of ice water.
Prepare a plate. Put some ice and cover with a sheet of plastic wrap to keep the lobster meat cool when serving. Put the lobster tail on the plate. From the bowl of ice water, grab the lobster meat, lightly squeeze the excess water and place it on the lobster tail. Finally, rinse the lobster head and place it on the plate. Now that you know how to prepare lobster sashimi, invite some friends over and try eating the sashimi with lemon juice or wasabi. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe for my YouTube channel for more creative videos.